In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Quantower trading platform. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google or your preferred search engine, and you want to type in quantower.com, and then you'll be directed to this very website over here. In here, you can either click on this download button over here, so in the middle of your screen, the yellow one, or this one up top over here, so just click that, and then over here, you can see it will say this is for Windows 10 or 11 64-bit, and if you scroll down you'll be able to read all about the installation process. Then go ahead and hit the download button, and then this will get downloaded to your computer, as you can see over here. Now once this is downloaded, actually I'm going to cancel. As you can see, I have already downloaded this, so once this is downloaded you'll be able to open it up, and then over here you'll be able to select your path. Then you can click on extract, and then basically it will install to your computer. After this you can just look for it, type in Quantower, and then if it shows quantower.exe and the app, make sure you click on the app, because if you click on the exe, it's just going to open up the installation again. So you want to make sure you actually look for the apps over here. So under the apps, click on Quantower, and it's going to launch up just like this, and you can start using it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.